We got an Xbox Series X game console today. I did not read what the note says, but Big Boss tried to power it on and it's not powering on. And he also said that the HDMI port is missing. So I do not know if the HDMI has to do anything with the no power. I told him to open it and we'll take a look at it. And look at this. First inspection, look at this. We still have part of that HDMI connector here and a lot of ripped pads. 1, 2, 3, 4. We have some weak ones and God knows what else is wrong with this motherboard. Right now the motherboard is not powering on. Maybe this is touching this and that's why the console did not power on. It's possible. Right now we're gonna replace the HDMI port. We're gonna restore the traces, of course, and we'll see what happens. It's been a while since I showed you Hiroshima, so there you go. We're gonna start by cleaning. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, let's go easy. Let's get rid of the glare so we can see what we are doing. Okay, so we're gonna have to restore this line. And look at the wire. It's ripped from its roots. So we're gonna have to somehow put that wire back because I'm gonna use a pad strip and the pad strip is not long enough to connect here. So before we do anything, let's start by desoldering that piece that's left here. We're gonna have to use a bigger tip. All right, so the wire is secured in place. And the wire goes here, right there. Okay, I did not realize that this wire is totally gone. This line here is totally gone, except for the far edge here. Okay, so we did expose the wire. We're gonna grind the part just a bit more. And just like that. Right now I'm using pad strips number 2. We are currently out of stock. We got 500 pieces last time and they sold out in less than a week. We have a shipment coming in and we're expecting that shipment in about 7 to 10 days. So what we're gonna do is place this right here. Very nice. And now we're not done because we still have to connect this wire all the way right here. So this pad is going up until here, and then we made an extension from here all the way here. Very nice. I mean, I could have run a wire all the way from here down to here, but the pad, it makes a better connection with the HDMI port compared to a wire. And that's why I'm using a pad strip. And right now, how many more pads do we have to run? This here is not needed because we already have ground here, we already have ground here, and we already have ground here. So if this one is not connected, it's not gonna affect the functionality in any way, shape, or form. And this one here, I think we can make a direct connection between the HDMI pin and this wire here. I do not see a reason to run a pad. I can if I want. If I feel like we're not able to make a connection between the pin and this wire, then we're gonna have to add a pad strip. But for now, we should be good. Right, and now we're gonna solder a new HDMI port, and just like that. Very nice. Add some flux. Right, and the connector is secured. We can add more solder just to secure it more. And of course, some flux. So we are all good except for the bridge that we have here. Let's clean up. We'll test and see. All right, and we're all good. All we have to do is test. Make sure all the pins are solid. And we're gonna solder the back legs and give it to Big Boss to reassemble and test. Hopefully that will fix the power issue and also the no signal issue. Solid, solid. Very nice. The pins are all solid. Solid, solid. Very nice. And every pin is solid. Okay, this one here is connecting with the pad right there, but the pad itself is loose, which is fine. The pad is still making a good connection from the back. And this one is connecting with the wire here. Same here. And this one is not connecting. Very good. And this one is connecting with the wire. Solid and solid. Perfect. We did an amazing job. I just want to make sure we do not have any bridges on the pins from the inside. And we do not. All we have to do is solder the back and test. Right, beautiful. 1, 2. Okay, and just look at the joints. I'm talking about the HDMI joints and not smoking. Because some viewers, they immediately think about smoking when I mention joints. So I just wanted to clarify. Smoking is bad for your health. I do not smoke, I do not drink, and I do not do anything bad for the health. All right, we're all good. HDMI port is soldered, and I'm gonna give this to Big Boss to reassemble and test, and I'll be back so we can finish the video. Hopefully it's a fix. Big Boss reassembled the Xbox. And it's functional. Great. That's it.
Salam.
Big Boss is the best.